Do you want fix keeps stopping in gCMOB? Okay, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, the first fix for the solve this problem is you go to the settings, okay, of your phone. Okay, go to the settings, and here in Android you go to the section apps. Okay, if you have an iPhone, just scrolling down, okay, and you select the gCMOB, okay, or in iPhone gCMOB, okay. In Android you have a clear cache, okay, and in Android you activate this option, okay, the in update on second, okay. And the second fix, you go to the App Store or Play Store, okay, and in the section search you search the gCMOB, okay, and here go to the app, okay, and if you have a update, okay, you update the app, okay, and bye bye.